Whoa, got another package? Alright, let's check it out. Oh, good doggy. Welcome back to another unboxing video. Today we have something from Venture Surplus. Feel free to check them out. Venture Surplus. And they have a large variety of items. So, Venture Surplus. And let's go ahead and get you out of the way. Thank you. And see how we get this open. See the logo there. Reinforced tape. Okay, so we got a sticker. And we have a manifest. Let me get that out of the way. And oh my, look at that. They sent me an extra sticker. Pretty cool, thank you. And now we got, let's see, enough paper to make a nice target. And let's dump everything out so we'll get this stuff out of the way here. And I think this, okay. So we got 2 of these, 4 of these. I don't think I just, oh there it is, okay. Actually flew to the side. Manifest is actually a sticker. And let's start off with 4 of these Knights Armament Vertical Grip New Black. So you can see here, Knights Armament logo, plastic, basically screw-in top that would engage rail. See the profile there of the tunnel. We got Knights Armament, the IS-1S002 number, Titusville. Got inventory tag there. So basically this controls the height of the engagement. And it's just basically a spool out. And I'm wondering if I can take this off here. That this in itself, I'm not sure if this is a storage compartment or not. I don't think so. So just put that back in. And we can actually probably set that aside. So there's 4 of these, all the same. Let's get to these little segments. I just want to check the markings. They're all exactly the same. Okay, cool. And what these are Knights Armament 4-rib rail cover 2-pack new. Close this up real quick. This one seems to have not what I put on there. That's that tag. 135s. Okay, so 2-pack as is. Again, Knights Armament, 1S002. This one does not have that number on it. Interesting. Both have the metal clips at the back. is a steel clip. Let's double check on this one. The unmarked. Yep, steel as well. So that's that 2-pack. Let's check this 2-pack then. Okay. So these also have rail profile. You slide them on, and then the metal clips engage the special cutouts on certain designed rails. This one does not have an 1S number, and this one does not either. Interesting. So only 1 out of the 4 actually has the 1S002 numbering on it, but they all have the steel clip. So, very interesting. But these were sale items from Venture Surplus. So, working our way backwards, 2 packs times 2 of Knight's Armament 4 rib rail covers. See numbers of 4 total there, and then 4 of these Knight's Armament vertical grips that would attach to rails as well. These all came from Venture Surplus. Feel free to check them out. They have a large variety of items, and not just gear, but clothing and other items as well. So feel free to check out their search engine as well as just their menu listings. This has been another unboxing video. Feel free to check out other unboxing videos on the channel. We also do show and tell videos on vintage milsurp tools and other expanded topics. We also do a series of book review, media reviews, and a series called Curios for the Curious, videos on more artsy type objects. Feel free to check all those out. Feel free to like and subscribe, and thanks for watching. See you next time.